So when you feel stuck with your level of Spanish because your sentence structure is all off, you don't have enough vocabulary, you're struggling with the verbs and maybe the time tenses, all this can be fixed easy within about 6 to 12 weeks. There's a lot of work you could do at home by yourself, or you can come to paid classes. It's your choice. The baseline, we start with all the elements that we build upon. So there's a list of 72 verbs that are most commonly used in every day. We learn those. We show you how to handle them in different time tenses. There are a few formulas, fill in the blanks formulas, that you can follow step by step, and that makes it easy and effective. Next, we triple your vocabulary. I'm going to show you all the ways you can do that yourself continuously over time without even working with me every week. We have weekly conversation classes where you can come and fix your pronunciation and interact and put in practice what you've learned and listen and respond in real time. Everybody says people speak really fast, and it's the number one problem. You start speaking Spanish, people think you understand. They go 100 million miles an hour at you, and then you get lost. So we're going to fix that problem too. That takes about 12 to 18 weeks to fix. Really, you have to have a solid baseline before that clicks in. And the minimum amount of investments is 3 hours a week on your time. You can certainly do 5 and 6 hours a week, but it's a recipe for burnout. And this is a marathon, not a sprint. So we want to make it fun, incorporate it to your daily life. These are all-inclusive programs. All the material is included. We give you everything to download, cheat sheets, recordings, videos you can watch to fix your pronunciation. Everything you can do by yourself. It's all yours to keep forever. And plus you can come to one-on-one private classes and group conversation classes to fix your pronunciation, improve your retainment of words, and answer your individual questions. Everybody has a lot of questions. So it only takes 3 hours a week for about 12 to 18 weeks to get better. You're just going to double your vocabulary, quadruple it afterwards. And you can certainly continue if you want to, or you can just take a break and return. You can pause. It's very tailored, and we have very high success rate and very good testimonials. So you should check my testimonials and then come, maybe try 1 month, very risk-free, and then sign up and commit, and within 3 months you're going to be way ahead. Sounds good?